Presenting a pre-owned 2016 GMC Acadia SLE-1. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 131,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger.